and welcome to the last final video of the Naked Reloaded palette with Urban Decay. So for this final look, I kind of wanted to gravitate towards more of the colors that I don't normally use on an everyday basis, the pinks, the sparkly colors, and sometimes the gold. So if you haven't already, I would really love it if you comment, like, and hit that subscribe button so I can create more content. And let's get right into this video. Just as my last two videos, I've already prepped and primed my face with foundation. I've already done my eyebrows, and all the products I've used will be listed down in the description below. Using the fluffy inside of the Naked toothbrush, I'll be applying the color Retro in and above my crease. Then taking a precision smudger brush and the shade Boundaries, I'll be using it to deepen my crease. Using a small flat eyeshadow brush, I'll be applying the shade Reputation all over my lid. With the same brush, I'll be using the color Burn on the outer third of my eye for depth. Using the fluffy end side of the brush again, I'll be using the color Retro in my lower lash line. With the flat smudger brush and the color Barely Baked, I'll be applying it to the inner third of my lower lash line. With the same brush and the color Endgame, I'll be smudging and blending the shade on the outer third of my lower lash line. With a clean ring finger, I'll be packing on the color Barely Baked on the middle of my lid. For lining my eyes, I'll be using the Tarte's Clay Paint Liner and creating a small wing. For thick lashes, I'll be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer in Carbon Black. To contour my face, I'll be using the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette in Medium Cocoa and contouring the hollows of my cheek, forehead, and jawline. To set my face, I'll be using the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. And while my face is still damp, I'll be using the shade Angel Fire as my highlight. Hi! What's up? You come and say hi? You wanna? This is my cat, Gilbert. He is a hefty man, but he is a healthy boy. And he is my buddy. And fun fact about him, he has more toes on his feet than he should. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button so I can make more content and say hi to Gilbert more often. And if you like this video series, share it with a friend or two so we can share around this new Naked Reloaded palette. Say bye, Gilbert. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.